What is this? Even YouTube is telling me I need to upload more. Look, I can't do that while I'm on vacation, okay? I went skiing. Then as soon as I got back, I was sick. You can't animate while you're sick, YouTube. Stop cyberbullying. So, do you guys remember in part 21, there was that whole bit at the beginning about a fake sponsorship? Well, if you went to the website, it was actually like a secret gateway to my Patreon that I had just started. I wanted to be a surprise to anyone who decided to search it, you know, like an inner circle sort of thing. But now I'm just gonna openly advertise for it. Go give me money. Only about $3 a month if you want to support me. And anyone who does will have their name show up at the end of select videos. I say select videos because some videos don't have an outro. I also have some polls, and I'm probably gonna end up posting some stuff there, and that part of it is free, so you can just go check it out. While you're there, just consider making a donation. I'll put a link in the description if you want to go check it out. Okay, now I'll shut up.
Is it like this every time you guys teleport?
No, usually it's face first in concrete, so sand is an improvement.
Huh? Well, you saw that, right?
Saw what?
Something digging around in the sand, like a decrepit worm or something.
Your mom's a decrepit worm.
Okay, now you're just asking me to kick your... I would say thank you, but this is really awkward. Get to the rocks!
Oh, we're in Tremors, aren't we? I should check the remote and see.
Yeah, and while you're at it, can you work on getting us out of here?
Sheesh, so pushy. Where's the thingy?
What thingy?
You know, the remote thingy.
Oh, that thingy. Where is it?
That's what I'm trying to figure out, fool! Huh? Look what you did!
Me? Well, one of us has to go out there and get it. We could draw straws.
Where would we get straws from?
Why do you have to be right about everything, Jit?
Okay, why don't we just all go?
Alright, we all go on 3. 1.
Full send!
I wasn't done counting. Just try to keep up, Noodle Neck. Noodle Neck? Nobody move! If we all just stand still, they won't be able to sense us.
But they already know we're here.
Man, I just want to say something smart for once. Is that way too much to ask for?
Well, he's dead.
Oh, no. Not today. Not today, you oversized parasite!
We gotta get him out of there. Yeah, maybe not get ourselves eaten in the process.
Godzilla! Okay, now that's just gross. Oh, honestly, I'd rather get shot again than do that. You okay?
Yeah, it's just... I thought I saw something.
Saw what?
Nothing. Let's just go.